Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a new user account on Mac. Click Apple icon in menu bar. Click System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Click the lock to make changes. Give the administrator user password. Click Unlock. Click plus sign to add new user. Select Stan or Administrator User Account. Give full username, account name and password details. Click Create User. User created successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.